I really don't know how to do my ears. I can work on it. Still don't know how to do them yet, but I did try. So I'm pretty satisfied with how I curled it a little bit. I do feel like it could be like thicker, but I'm not too much complaining. It's not about the hair, it's about what I could do with it. So. It's me again, back with another voiceover, y'all. So as y'all see, I'm just blow drying my hair. I'm melting the stocking cap and I'm cutting it, adding more glue, you know, doing the use. I didn't notice that I am getting better. The more that I practice these, the better it looks. If y'all didn't get a chance, make sure y'all go ahead and check out my last video when I just attempted to install the same wig. I didn't get the same results, but practice makes perfect. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, catch the vibe, hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I post or do anything on my channel. And if you've been on my channel, thank you for watching. Honey, what? Stocking melt, honey. That is melt. Do you see that? Blend game on fleek, like. And then also with the wig, I did like the hair. Like I said, I wish it would have been thicker. And at the same time, it's like it was high. Maybe I should have plucked it more. But it just seemed high at the top. That's one thing I didn't like about it. But other than that, it was pretty good. I'm just blow drying and then what lace, sweetie? What lace? Get in tune, honey. What lace, sweetie? But no, y'all, for real. I had a musical, so don't mind me. But y'all, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna give y'all the fresh cut version right here. Make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. Yeah. I have I know I actually could have did better with my. Next time I do this, I will make sure I have my flat irons. need to figure out what I need to do more of, or like, I don't know, probably plug it some more. Comment down below what y'all think. But if you like this video, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. Oh, I forgot. I have this on my finger because while I was gone, I ended up cutting my finger with a pair of scissors. So now I'm here applying pressure. Yep, clumsy old Deja. Anyways, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all tune into more videos. So, see ya.
On your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no mind. You can be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, grinding for a new life.